Have you ever wondered how you can make money from the comfort of your own home? Well, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities, one of which is the ability to earn an income through work-from-home chat jobs. These jobs are not only convenient but also incredibly flexible, allowing you to tailor your work schedule to your lifestyle. In this video, we'll delve into the world of remote chat jobs, providing you with the ins and outs of finding and applying for these roles. We'll discuss what these jobs entail, the skills you need, and where you can find legitimate opportunities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, work-from-home chat jobs can be a great way to increase your income. So, if you're ready to ditch the traditional 9-to-5 and embrace the digital nomad lifestyle, you're in the right place. Stay tuned if you're interested in learning how to secure a work-from-home chat job and start earning today. So, what exactly is a work-from-home chat job? Excellent question. A work-from-home chat job is a role that allows you to earn money from the comfort of your own home by providing customer service or technical support through online chat platforms. Now, you might be wondering, what does a day in the life of a work-from-home chat agent look like? Well, it typically involves responding to customer inquiries or complaints, resolving technical issues, or providing information on products or services. All of this is done via a chat interface, so you'll need to be adept at typing and communicating clearly through written text. But don't worry, if you're someone who's comfortable with online communication and has a knack for problem solving, you're already halfway there. Other skills that can come in handy include patience, empathy, and a keen eye for detail. As for potential earnings, they can vary greatly depending on the company and the complexity of the role. Generally speaking, you can expect to make anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour. So, who's hiring for these roles? A wide range of companies actually. From tech startups to large corporations, many businesses are recognizing the value of having a remote chat support team. This means you can find work-from-home chat jobs in a variety of industries, including tech, retail, healthcare, and even travel. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that these jobs are often shift-based to cover different time zones, so flexibility is key. You might find yourself working early mornings, late nights, or even weekends, but on the bright side, you'll be able to work from anywhere, which is a huge advantage for many people. Now that we have a clear understanding of what these jobs are, let's move on to how you can find and apply for them. Finding the right work-from-home chat job might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. All you need is a keen eye, a bit of patience, and the right tools at your fingertips. Let's dive into it, shall we? The first step in your work-from-home journey is to determine where to look. There are countless job listing sites out there, but not all are created equal. Websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and Remote.co are some of the most reputable ones known for their vast listings of remote jobs. They offer a robust search engine allowing you to filter by job type, location, salary estimate, and more. Next, knowing what keywords to use in your search is key. Try phrases like remote customer service, online chat representative, or work-from-home chat support. These are commonly used in job descriptions for chat-based roles. Now let's talk about how to identify legitimate job postings. The internet, while a great tool, can also be a breeding ground for scams. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, look for detailed job descriptions. Legitimate companies will provide a comprehensive list of responsibilities and requirements. They'll also clearly state whether the position is full-time, part-time, or contract-based. Second, do your homework on the company. Check their website, read reviews, and look for any red flags like a recent creation date or lack of clear contact information. Third, be wary of any job that asks for upfront payment. It's a classic sign of a scam. No legitimate job will ask you to pay for training or equipment before you start. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Remember, finding the right job takes time and patience. Don't rush the process, and don't settle for less than what you deserve. Now that you know where to find these jobs, let's talk about the application process. Applying for a work-from-home chat job is just like applying for any other job. It takes preparation and effort. You might be in the comfort of your own home, but professionalism is still paramount. First, let's talk about your resume and cover letter. They are your golden tickets to get your foot in the digital door. Highlight your relevant experience, especially any previous remote or chat-based roles. Showcase your ability to communicate effectively and handle multiple tasks simultaneously, as these are crucial in chat jobs. Your cover letter should be a reflection of your personality, so make it engaging and genuine. Next, the interview. Yes, you will likely be interviewed over a video call. Treat it with the same seriousness as an in-person interview. Dress appropriately, ensure your background is professional, and prepare as you would for any other job interview. Anticipate questions about your experience, multitasking abilities, and how you handle difficult customers. Lastly, don't forget to follow up. Send a thank you email after your interview expressing your continued interest in the position. This not only shows your enthusiasm but also keeps you fresh in the interviewer's mind. Remember, each application is a learning experience. If you don't succeed at first, don't get disheartened. Use the feedback to improve and apply again. With these tips, you're well on your way to securing a work-from-home chat job. So, are you ready to start your work-from-home chat job journey? We've unveiled the ins and outs of these jobs, showed you where to find them, and even shared some tips on how to apply. Don't wait any longer. The time is now to seize these opportunities. If you found our guide helpful, show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the Genius Profile channel. We're here to help you navigate your career. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dream job might just be a few clicks away. Good luck.